welcome back to my channel.
Galit na galit ang dating manager ni Jed Madela na si Annie Mercado matapos umabot sa kanya ang bagong release na kanta ng Kapamilya Singer. Sa kanyang Facebook post nitong Biyernes, July 5. Naglabas ng saloobin si Annie matapos makarating sa kanya ang isa sa mga bagong kanta ng singer na pinamagatan, I Wish You the Worst. Tila na-trigger ang dating manager sa lyrics ng naturang kanta dahil ito raw ay patama sa kanila ni Jed. Kwento ni Annie, minahal at tinagap raw niya bilang isang pamilya ang Kapamilya Singer. Panimula ng dating manager ni Jed, so I'm doing my business and moving on with my life of positivity, joy and peace and tried to ignore pesky flies. But a friend sent me a song. Once and for all, I'm putting an end to this. Since he went public via song, I am no longer going to keep quiet about this person. I'm naming him Don't Worry. Anya, ang bagong kanta raw ni Jed ay tungkol sa relasyon, ngunit hindi raw sila tanga para hindi isipin na patama ito para sa kanila. This song is about relationships, but we're not dumb to think it's not about us, the very family who took good care of him and loved him from the day he set foot in Manila. So yeah, I'm not playing the game of this ungrateful man anymore. Saad ni Annie. Dagdag pa niya, Wish You the Worst, his new song. This song tells you so much about the kind of person the singer truly is. Title pa lang he invested on negativity na. It's full of negativity, hate, and bitterness, always playing the victim when he is the offender. Anya, palagi raw mag-feeling victim at magparinig si Jed. He's always played the game. If the shoe fits, well sorry, I don't wanna play. I don't hide behind songs and post with double meanings, so here it is. Jed Madela, don't taunt me with song. Panindigan mo yan ha. Let's go to the press and tell all. If you don't wanna, I will. I think people wanna know the truth. Share until this reaches him because he blocked all of us. Sa comment section ay inilahad rin ni Annie na lagpas na sa 2 dekada silang magkasama ni Jed at kilala niya ito mula noong bata pa. Ngunit dumating raw sa punto na hindi na raw siya nirerespeto ni Jed, kaya ito na ang naging hudyat para sa kanyang tapusin ang kanilang ugnayan. I've managed him for 23 years until he is what he is right now. That's the business side. I've known him since birth and me and our family loved him unconditionally, like a son and brother. And he chose to disrespect. That for me is my closure. End of the line, say pa ni Annie. Sa ngayon ay wala pang inilalabas na pahayag si Jed tungkol sa issue.